Ooh, what's up? You listen to that good shit.
That's just how I planned it. Now get me down.
Yo, coche, so.
I done came up, got my range up, got my aim up. I can't miss, I can't. These niggas taking a piss. These niggas.
We're gonna get jumped. Nigga, we're getting jumped.
What did he say?
Yo, what's up, nigga? It's nigga. That's what I said.
Finna get chunked. So
It's good.
What's good? Why you get all up in the mic and shit?
Cause I'm scared.
Why you get scared for?
I get scared to find shit.
She want me. She want me. She want me.
Wanna say
Oh
yeah.
shit.
I don't know anything, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room.
Let me know.
What?
Why y'all
You
girls?
got my
Bro,
attention. You
listen to me,
make
bro.
it listen. My bad.
Bro, you better listen.
Yes, sir. Yeah, put me in my place. Ooh, ain't tapped up. Who fucking Avery?
Damn. Calm down. So what's your Instagram? I need that.
Avery S.1219.
No, you might well type it in for me, please. What? Type it.
Watch the attitude, bro. I'm not liking it.
Watch your mouth.
Ooh, yes, sir. Put me in my place again.
I'm gonna get your number sooner or later.
No.
What you say?
I said, okay, daddy. Y'all want to hear me? Y'all want to watch me trip out to Chris Brown?
I just followed you, bro.
I'm going to trip out to Chris Brown.
I just followed you. You gotta follow me back right now.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Follow me back right now.
My bad. Say please.
Come on. Please, like what? Why you being like that?
Just kidding.
You bumping that bitch. Hey,
Shaggy.
What's up, baby girl?
What's up? Shaggy.
Okay, so there are 3 of us here, and one of us has a fake leg, and you gotta guess which one of us has a fake leg. Her, me, or her.
Alright. Hold on. Hold on. Go back to the other one. Keep going. Go back.
Blue, I think blue shirt, blonde.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with blue
Okay,
shirt.
you think blue shirt?
Yeah.
Okay, is it you? No.
Bro. So who is the
Okay,
one
which
on
one
the
of
left?
us?
The one, her right there.
Her?
Yeah.
No. It's me. Do you want to see it come off?
Hell no! That's hell no!
Yeah, which leg is it?
Not this one, because I can't bend the other one this much.
Alright, so what happens?
How did I have to get a fake leg?
Yes, we need to know what happened.
Okay, I was surfing on spring break.
You're right.
And yeah, I was in the ocean, and it was really scary. Like, I almost actually died. Have you ever seen like that movie where that girl got her arm bit off? It was kind of like that with my leg. But if you want to see my leg come off, I'm gonna need some money.
Huh? What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Some money? Damn. Why are you trying to get some money out of me?
You don't even know us.
Because it's really cool. And you know how much money I had to pay for it? And my parents made me pay for it.
Hold on. What's so cool about taking my bread?
Because I had my whole leg taken from me.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't.
I don't even know
And
you.
do you, so here,
Oh, no,
listen,
you hear me
here's
out.
the thing.
I don't know you, baby. I don't know you.
That's okay. But here's the thing.
Is that okay?
That is not okay.
We love honesty. We love honesty. Wait, what's your zodiac? What's your zodiac sign?
Oh my God. Why that matter?
I'm asking.
Yeah, I'm a Libra.
You a what?
A Libra.
You a Libra? Libra. Okay, what's the other one? Damn, what the fuck?
I'm a Leo.
Oh.
Ooh, yeah. She think I'm cute. She wanna have sex.
I swear. I slick thought I was finna get the opposite reaction, and I thought y'all was finna trip.
Okay, let me tell you mine.
All right, what's y'all?
I'm a Aries. I'm a Gemini.
I ain't gonna lie.
Y'all just
What's wrong with us? Gemini. I'm a Aries.
nothing wrong.
I'm a Gemini.
Nothing wrong.
Ain't nothing wrong, bro. It's good.
Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong with no Gemini.
We freaky as fuck though.
Can I get your brother thing?
Huh?
You want my brother?
No, no. She on the phone. I'm sorry.
So you don't want him?
He's cute. He's cute as hell.
Yeah. What's up? How you doing? Why she do that? Like, why? Yo,
What's up?
you at work, nigga?
Everybody keeps saying that.
Like,
Yeah,
bro, cause you supposed to be working. You on?
it's boring. It's boring. I don't give a damn. I know how to multitask, but it's boring as shit. During the holiday, I'm finna quit. That's a long walk. That's a long. Oh my god, bro.
That's a light skinned nigga in the profile picture. You dark as shit.
What you talking about? Nigga, that's
Hey, Bleed. Hey, I'm gonna keep it a bean with you, bro. You need a little chapstick, gang. Your shit dry as fuck.
Don't you try and lick 'em now. Dry lips have an ass.
Look, gang, I'm trying to tell you, your shit white, bro.
Look at
Oh, he cute as
He
fuck.
got me so conscious and shit right now.
Why are you so cautious?
Nigga just told me to put on chapstick.
Damn, your shit ashy.
Bro, not you
That's
too,
crazy.
gay. Not you.
It's
too,
okay.
gay.
Let me see. Go like this.
Not you too, gay. No, how old is you?
That's it. 19.
Where
How old
you
are
from?
you? 24?
Yeah.
Are you old as shit? I know. I'm fucking with you.
On my ass right now. Like, bruh.
I know. I
damn.
got to be.
Well, I
Got
mean,
to be.
Like, where you from?
Detroit. Michigan.
Oh,
Where you stay?
Tennessee.
Tennessee. I ain't never. What's in Tennessee? Cause you're the only 10 I see.
Oh,
I know.
What?
Can I milk your udders? Like, do you have udders like a cow does? Can I milk them?
Brother,
What? So you not finna subscribe. Oh, okay. So you not finna hit that bell. Oh, okay. No like button? Okay. See, now we got a problem. Now we got a problem. You see the bell. Don't make me go spin the block on y'all. I'm just playing. I'm trolling. I'm strictly trolling. This is a whole BB gun. YouTube, this is a BB gun.